Hello my fellow humans, it is I, Anna, and today I will be making brown sugar cookies. What you'll need to make this is 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon corn starch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of water, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and 1 cup of shortening. First, what you will want to do is take your mixer, put in your shortening, your water, and all of your brown sugar. And now I'm going to mix it up on high until it's all combined. Okay, I've mixed it all up and I'm going to just scrape down the sides to make sure that I got it all. Okay, so mine didn't get combined completely, so I'm just going to mix it up a little bit more. And now I'm just scraping down the sides again. Okay, I have that all combined, and now I'm going to add my egg and egg yolk. And I'm going to mix it up. I am going to add my vanilla in there, and I'm going to mix it up. Okay, now that I've taken care of this mixture, I'm going to start with the flour mixture. First, take your flour, your salt, your baking soda and baking powder, and finally your cornstarch. Make sure you get it all in there. Now I'm going to mix it together with a fork. Okay, I've mixed it all together. So now I'm going to take my spatula out of here, and I am going to mix in the flour mixture into the sugar and shortening mixture, and I'm going to do that a little bit by a little bit. So I'm going to tap that in, mix it up, I'm going to take it and tap it in until it's all gone. Just tapping it in there and then mixing it up until combined, and then just adding some more until it's all gone. Okay, so I've mixed up my dough, and the next step is to form them into balls and then roll them in sugar and put them in the oven. Okay, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. I have a bowl of brown sugar, which I'm going to be rolling the dough balls in, and I have my pan here to put my dough on. So what I'm just going to do is, you could take a spoon or just your hands and grab a little bit, roll it into a ball, and depending on the size of cookie you want, you change the size of the ball. So if you want it to be a bigger cookie, make the ball bigger, and then I like to just put it in there and just kind of roll around this like this, and then you've got it. And then just keep doing that until you have a whole pan, and then bake it in the oven for 11 minutes. So my cookies have all come out of the oven. They are really, really pretty and really good. These are some of my favorite cookies. They can be for any time year-round, and they're really easy to make. I hope you like this video. As always, the recipe will be down in the description. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye!